In this video, we're going to be talking about the new Samsung Galaxy A23 5G. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. So we have a new phone that just came out from Samsung, and huge shout out to Android Authority for providing this article. If you guys want to read this on your own time, I'll leave it in the description down below. But it says Samsung launches a phone with a 5,000 mAh battery for under $300. So this is going to be a budget device, so get excited for the people that like budget devices out there. It says one of the best features of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is its very large battery at 5,000 milliamps. It's large enough to power you through an entire day. I don't know about that. I guess so, but the battery life is lacking on this S22 Ultra. It's the device I'm actually filming with right now. Even if you're doing a lot of gaming and streaming, however, the Galaxy S22 Ultra starts at $1199, so it isn't exactly wallet friendly. Thankfully, we now have the Samsung Galaxy A23 5G. Not to get confused with the Galaxy A23, because that came out a few months ago, so that is not the same as this phone. This phone is going to get some upgrades and of course a price change. It offers the same battery capacity we saw on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, but literally a quarter of the price. So what does the Galaxy A23 5G get? Although the star feature of the Galaxy A23 5G is its gargantuan battery, it does have a lot of things going for it. It has a 6.6-inch display with an FHD plus resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate, so that's pretty nice to see. I don't know if it's full HD plus though. I think you got it wrong, Android Authority. We're gonna check back later on and I'll update you guys soon on that, but I thought it was 720p, but it says full HD plus right here. So if that changes, I'm gonna be unboxing this device anyways. Stay tuned for that. Under the hood is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695, which isn't a powerhouse but does offer 5G support. Elsewhere, it has 64 gigabytes of internal storage, which can augment with a micro SD card up to 1 terabyte. So this does have room for expansion. I would have liked it to be 128 gigabytes of internal, but it's cool that we have that expansion in this as well, so always nice to have that. It says on the back of the phone you'll find a quad lens camera system. This is highlighted by a 50 megapixel main shooter. Basically, the Samsung Galaxy A23 5G delivers the fundamental basics most people need for a decent smartphone experience, pricing and availability. So the Galaxy A23 5G is priced to move. Samsung will sell it unlocked for just $299, making it one of the cheapest ways to get 5G access. So really low cost phone right here. Nice to see that it is coming out, especially at this day and age when a lot of people aren't really trying to spend goo-gobs of money on a smartphone. So nice that Samsung did that. I will leave a link in the description down below if I find a listing on Amazon. Obviously that's going to be an affiliate link, so that is going to be giving me commission that goes back into this channel. And there's already availability on Samsung.com. They also do have a trade-in program, so you can save up to I believe $200 or something like that. So go ahead and check out Samsung.com if you want to trade in an old device, and they have it at Best Buy as well. So really excited about this device. If you guys are excited about this device, let me know in the comment section down below. If you guys want me to unbox this device, let me know in the comment section down below, but I am hugely excited about this one. I'm liking what they're bringing to the budget community lately. And yeah, hopefully you guys got some good information in this video. If you did, please leave a like down below. But this has been Safan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.